Bangabandhu, my inspiration. You must have heard the name of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman many a time. But how much do you know about him? Do you know that he has three names? Khoka to his colleagues aunts, Bangabandhu to the people of Bangladesh and the great leader, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman to the world. Bangabandhu was the dreamer of an independent Bangladesh. He sacrificed every bit of himself and led Bangladesh to achieve its independence. His love for the people and sacrifice for the country made him the father of the nation. He was a born leader. His love and care for the people made him speak for all of us. He never accepted injustice done to anyone from his very childhood. He always stood by his friends in times of need. If he saw anybody in his class who could not afford to buy an umbrella, he gave away his own so that the boy did not have to suffer in the heat or rain. Sometimes he even gave away his textbooks. He was always confident and courageous. He was not afraid to speak up against injustice. Once, when he was a student of Gopalganj Missionary School, the Chief Minister of Individed Bengal, Shri Bangla A.K. Fazlul Haq, visited the school. Then Mujib, along with his friends, came forward with their demands to repair the school hostel's roof. Afterwards, the Chief Minister sanctioned the money. Bangabandhu was a football lover. He loved to play football, volleyball, and hockey. He had a reputation as a team player. As a knowledgeable person, he was a great speaker too. In those days, there was no internet or smartphones. He gathered knowledge by reading newspapers. He loved people and was always surrounded by them. He could mix with people easily. He was liberal. He wanted people from all communities to live together in harmony. His only dream was to see Bangladesh as a free, peaceful, and prosperous nation.